Hello everyone, I'm Allison Shaw. Thank you for watching this video. If you watch it till the end, I'll show you how to get a free introductory video course. This isn't just another meditation course. It's a course developed by Giovanni Dienstmann, who is one of the top meditation coaches worldwide. So watch till the end and get access to this worldwide accredited video course. Can meditation really help those with cancer? Well, according to the American Cancer Society, it does, and it can. So let's explore what they have to say about the efficacy of meditation on cancer patients. The efficacy of meditation in aiding individuals dealing with cancer is unequivocal. As affirmed by the American Cancer Society, life's challenges, particularly those posed by illness, grief, anxiety, or depression, often necessitate avenues for achieving tranquility and mental solace. Meditation emerges as a profound method to soothe both body and mind, facilitating moments of serenity amidst turmoil. Extensive research underscores the manifold health benefits of meditation, ranging from alleviating various health conditions to enhancing sleep quality and elevating mood. Acknowledged as a mind-body complementary or integrative therapy, meditation seamlessly integrates with standard medical treatments for numerous health conditions. It is widely regarded as a safe practice, harnessing the power of concentration or introspection to induce bodily relaxation and mental calmness. Meditation serves as a potent tool for emotional equilibrium and overall well-being. Insights from the National Institutes of Health elucidate the diverse health advantages attributed to meditation. Meditation, when combined with conventional medical interventions, demonstrates potential in reducing blood pressure. Meditation-based programs exhibit efficacy in mitigating menopausal symptoms such as hot flashes, sleep disturbances, mood fluctuations, stress, and musculoskeletal pain. Evidence suggests that meditation holds promise in alleviating anxiety, depression, and chronic pain. Among cancer patients, meditation emerges as a valuable adjunct therapy, fostering relief from anxiety, stress, fatigue, and improving sleep quality and mood when utilized alongside standard medical treatments. The practice of meditation encompasses a myriad of approaches. Some advocate the repetition of affirmations or phrases aloud, while others incorporate physical movements like Tai Chi or Qi Gong. However, for many, meditation entails finding a tranquil space, closing the eyes, and directing focus towards rhythmic breathing or other calming stimuli. The National Institutes of Health identifies 4 fundamental elements common to most meditation practices. 1. A serene environment devoid of distractions. 2. A specific posture or movement, whether seated, reclined, or ambulatory. 3. Focused attention on a chosen mantra, object, or the breath. 4. An open-minded attitude conducive to acknowledging passing thoughts and distractions without judgment. Exploring complementary therapies during and post-cancer treatment is paramount, but consultation with healthcare providers is indispensable. Open dialogue with medical professionals ensures the safe integration of complementary methods into treatment regimens. So, there you have it, straight from the American Cancer Society. I hope this helps you understand the benefits of meditation for those suffering with cancer. Hello everyone, it's Allison again. I'm glad you stuck around till the end of our video. To get access to the course I promised, simply click on the link in the description box below this video. While your focus is down there, please help spread the word on Giovanni's coaching by subscribing and liking this video. Best of luck with your free course and thank you for your time.